Salesforce is a technology company founded by Marc Benioff in the year 1999. Salesforce offers various cloud-based software to help businesses streamline their business processes efficiently and manage their customer relationships effectively. But what are customer relationships, business processes, and cloud-based software? What is cloud first of all? Let's understand them one by one. Cloud refers to the servers that are located in a data center. Now, what is a server and what is a data center? A server is a computer device that can store, process, and deliver data in response to a request made by a client over the internet. Client typically refers to a device that requests a service from the server. A device could be a desktop, laptop, tablet, mobile, or any other computer with networking capabilities. A service could be performing some calculations, retrieving some data, providing access to a specific feature, etc. Servers are often equipped with powerful hardware including high performance processors, ample memory, and large storage capacity to efficiently handle multiple requests from multiple clients simultaneously. Okay, let me explain simply. Think of a desktop computer system. What does it include? A keyboard, mouse, monitor, desktop computer, etc. What does a desktop computer consist of? A processor, RAM, hard drive, etc. What does a desktop computer do? Takes the input from the user via a keyboard or a mouse, processes it, and displays the output on the monitor. So the keyboard, mouse, and monitor are used just for providing the input and receiving the output. That means this box is the main unit where all the computations and data processing occur, correct? Just expand this box like this, it will become a server. Let's assume that I am using a desktop computer that has an Intel i5 processor, 8GB RAM and 1TB storage. If I watch a movie or perform a basic operation, then it will easily do. But if I ask it to do something really complex that needs more RAM, then what will happen? It may slow down. If I give a more complex task, then it may produce a lot of heat and noise. If I give a much more complex task, then if I give a task that requires 128GB RAM and 100TB storage, then just like a person trying to carry more than he or she can, it may slow down, produce more heat, or even crash. So how will I solve this problem? I need to upgrade my desktop computer with the required resources, right? See, no matter how much I upgrade my desktop computer, a single desktop computer cannot uphold much of the processing capacity or storage. If I upgrade also, only one person can use the desktop computer at a time. What if all my family members need the same amount of processing capacity and storage at the same time? Desktop computers are not designed to be used by multiple users at a time, right? So I need to purchase 3 more desktop computers. If I do so, it will be very difficult for me to set up and manage 4 desktop computers in a small house. Therefore, when tasks become too complex or when multiple users need to be solved, a single desktop computer isn't sufficient. To solve this, a new specialized computer is created using the same fundamental design principles and base components of the desktop computers with more powerful resources such as processing power, memory, storage capacity, etc. and named server. Just like the buses which are made from the fundamental design principles and base components of cars. So why is the server created? To handle a large workload from multiple users at the same time. What does it do? Takes the input from the user, processes it and provides the output to the user. How does it take the input from the user and provide the output? Instead of taking the input via a keyboard or a mouse, it takes the input via a computer device such as a mobile, tablet, laptop, desktop, etc. Instead of displaying the output on the monitor, it provides the output to the same device from which it received the input. Anyways, the device will have a screen to display, right? So the device that sends the input to the server and receives the output is called a client. Why is the internet crucial? The internet is like a bridge that connects the client to a server, allowing them to communicate. Without the internet, they cannot talk to each other, so nothing would work. Why it is named as server? Because it fulfills the role of serving clients by processing their requests. Depending upon the number of users and the complexity of tasks, a server is equipped with resources. Okay, then for my family, one server will be enough. But think of companies like Google, Microsoft, Amazon, etc. Think how much processing power they need to handle the requests from all their users. A single server cannot handle that much workload. Therefore, they use many servers. Many servers, probably in millions. To optimize space and facilitate efficient management of their servers, they place multiple servers within a single rack, arranging multiple racks one after another. Let's understand what is a data center. A data center is a physical location where servers, power backup systems, cooling systems, networking equipment, etc. are hosted securely. Let me explain. Desktop computers require electricity to operate, fans to cool down, and networking equipment to communicate, right? Similarly, servers also require electricity, a cooling system, and networking equipment. Therefore, companies need to keep all the hardware in a location along with the servers and secure them. That location is called a data center. So data centers are like super secure warehouses for servers to make sure that they remain protected, properly cooled, and continuously connected to the electricity as well as to the internet. The company that operates one or more data centers is called a cloud service provider. Cloud service providers generally place their data centers in several regions strategically to reduce latency and optimize performance for users accessing their services from all around the world. As of 2023, Salesforce operates its own data centers in the USA, Germany, Japan, UK, and France. I hope now you understand what cloud is. Cloud refers to the servers that are located in a data center. That's it. Now let's understand what is cloud-based software. Cloud-based software refers to a software application that is installed and executed on the servers managed by a cloud service provider. Users can access cloud-based software remotely over the internet, instead of installing and executing it on their local computer devices. Examples of cloud-based software are Google Drive, Microsoft Teams, Canva, or any other software that you access through your web browser. Let's understand the advantages of cloud-based software. Firstly, no installation requirement. Cloud-based software can be accessed directly through a web browser without the need to install it on the user's device, which eliminates the hassle of software installation and updates. Next, device and location independence. Cloud-based software can be accessed on any device having internet connectivity from anywhere around the world, which ensures that the users are not tied to a specific device or location to access the software. Next, continuous service availability. Servers are designed for continuous and reliable operation, providing users with access to services at any time 365 or 366 days a year, which ensures high availability and responsiveness. Next, subscription-based pricing. Users need to pay for the services that they have subscribed to on a monthly or yearly basis, and there will be many options to choose a distinct service, which offers flexibility and cost effectiveness. Next, dynamic scalability. Services can be easily scaled up or scaled down to accommodate changing users' needs, which ensures that users have access to the resources they need when they need them, without over-provisioning or underutilization. Next, robust security. Data stored in cloud-based software is typically encrypted to protect it from unauthorized access or breaches, which ensures that the data remains unreadable without the appropriate decryption key. Lastly, disaster recovery capability. Cloud service providers store copies of data in multiple data centers to facilitate disaster recovery. If one data center fails due to events like tsunamis, earthquakes, power outages, etc., data can still be accessed from other data centers, which ensures data redundancy and continuous availability. Okay, let's take Google Drive as an example of cloud-based software and evaluate how each of the mentioned advantages applies. I can access Google Drive directly through a web browser such as Chrome, Edge or Safari. I don't need to download and install Google Drive on my device. Thus, no installation requirement. Next, I can log into Google Drive and access my files from any compatible device with an internet connection from anywhere around the world. I don't need to rely on one specific device or location to access my files. Thus, device and location independence. Next, I can access my files in Google Drive whenever I want, 24/7, any day of the year, without worrying about downtime. Thus, continuous service availability. Next, Google Drive offers various pricing plans. I can choose a plan that suits my storage needs and budget to use it for a certain time. Thus, subscription-based pricing. Next, Google Drive allows users to easily increase or decrease their storage capacity as needed. I can upgrade my storage plan or downgrade it with a few clicks. Instead of buying a new hard drive, keeping the files till I need them, and selling that hard drive at a lower price when I don't need the files anymore. Thus, dynamic scalability. Next, Google Drive stores my files safely with encryption, making it difficult for unauthorized users to access my data. My laptop can be hacked, but Google Drive cannot be. Thus, robust security. Next, Google operates multiple data centers globally, storing the same data across multiple locations repeatedly. In the event of a tsunami, earthquake, or power failure at one data center, my data remains safe and accessible from other data centers. If my laptop is damaged or stolen, then I lose my data forever. Thus, disaster recovery capability. With Google Drive, I have a simple and secure way to store and access my files from anywhere at any time on any device. These are not the advantages of Google Drive alone, these are the advantages of all cloud-based software. Now let's understand what is a business process. Business process is a series of interrelated activities that are performed to achieve a specific objective. Examples of business processes are order processing, inventory management, customer support, employee onboarding, etc. Business processes can encompass a wide range of activities, from simple repetitive tasks to complex multi-step workflows. For instance, order processing includes activities such as receiving orders, verifying customer details, checking inventory levels, processing payments, and shipping products to customers. So, order processing is a business process, and these are the interrelated activities that are performed to achieve a business objective of fulfilling customer orders efficiently and accurately. Streamlined business processes are essential for businesses to reduce errors, improve productivity, and operate smoothly. Now let's understand what is customer relationship. Customer relationship refers to the relationship between a business and its customers that has been built over time through communication, interaction, engagement, understanding, satisfaction, and trust from the initial contact to post-purchase support. Managing customer relationships is crucial for businesses to foster loyalty, drive repeat purchases, and enhance brand reputation. That's it. I hope now you clearly understand what I mean by this statement. To learn more about Salesforce, please visit the Salesforce website. Alright, let me summarize everything. Salesforce is a company that was founded by Marc Benioff in 1999. Salesforce provides various cloud-based software to organize business processes and manage customer relationships. Cloud-based software offers various advantages including no installation requirement, device and location independence, 24/7 service availability, flexible subscription-based pricing, reliability, dynamic scalability, robust security, and disaster recovery capability.